Look at this shadow. What shape hides within? 5 shadows, 5 shapes. Guess what emerges? This shadow has soft, curved wings. Silent hunter of the night. What is it? This shadow has a pointed nose and a bushy tail. Clever dancer in the moonlight. What is it? This shadow reaches upward with open arms, rooted in earth, touching sky. What is it? This shadow arches its back like a crescent moon, curious and graceful. What is it? This shadow holds a floating circle, a moment of letting go. What is it? One, owl. Their silent flight comes from velvety feathers. No sound, only presence. 2, fox. They see the Earth's magnetic field, navigating by invisible lines. 3, tree. Their roots speak to each other through fungal networks in underground language. 4, cat. They purr at a frequency that heals bones, 25 to 150 hertz. 5, human with balloon. The string is not a leash. It's a choice to hold or release. Which shadow made you smile today? Right below. Glimpse.